Nestle Go Free cornflakes. Not only good for breakfast, but great as an ingredient in your cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is heat our oil in the pan. While we're waiting, we can weigh out the cereal. This recipe takes 100 grams of the Nestle Go Free cornflakes. There you go, so the oil's now nice and hot. We're going to add to this our onions. This is a walnut onion diced. And we're gently just going to cook the onions just for a minute, just to get them softened. So once the onions have started to soften, we'll add our garlic. Cumin. And chilli. You can add dried chilli or chilli flakes. We'll just let that cook. Just get those spices frying. And we're now going to add our mushrooms. So we're just going to let the mushrooms fry for a couple of minutes. Just going to season this. So the mushrooms are cooking down now, so I'm just going to add the beans. And to this, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Touch more seasoning. And then some of that fresh coriander. We're just going to cook that for a minute, just get all those flavours working together. So those mushrooms and onions are now beautifully cooked. And you can smell the chilli, lemon and garlic, really lovely. We're going to just pop this into our food blender. So I'm now going to add 3/4 of the Nestle Go Free cornflakes. Here we have our bean, mushroom and gluten-free cornflakes mix that we're just going to pop into a bowl. The bean filling has now been chilling for 5 minutes, and as you can see, the gluten-free cornflakes have absorbed the moisture. It's now ready for me to shape into bites. So we're going to put a nice crunchy coating. So here are the rest of our gluten-free cornflakes, which I'm just gently going to crush. Just going to pop those into the dish, and then we're going to add some coriander. To shape your bites, we take a spoon of the mixture in your hands and gently just roll it into a bite. This actually will also make a great vegetarian burger. And you roll your bite and you pop it on your baking tray. Our Mexican bean bites ready for the oven using the Nestle Go Free cornflakes.